What's up YouTube? We're going to show you how to do a webull watch list. As you can tell, I have several watch lists, which is kind of hard to keep up with, but it's good to have a watch list, especially if you do pre-market and after hours. So I like to wake up early in the morning, pre-market hours, and I like to come in here and check the pre-market. You can always click up here and you can put all the green stuff. You can see where the action's at on your watch list. You know, some stuff like here, I have everything from oil, electric, food, high percentage. I even have this. Wall Street Bets watch list, so I can see what's actually doing good that day, and it looks like this is doing good. So once you have the watch list set up, you can double click on whatever you have here, and then it can pull up your charts, and then you can set all your studies up, your moving average and your VWAP. I just like to have the VWAP. Of course, your moving average is good. You can add volume, but the volume's already right here, so no need to use volume. You can switch 5 day, 1 month. I like to just do my day stuff for my day trading and scalp trading and swing trading. I usually just stuck to the 1 day, 1 minute charts. Or sometimes I'll go to the 5 minute chart if there's too much volume, kind of slow it down a bit. But with your 1 day charts and your 1 minute charts, you can start setting up your resistance and your support lines, and there's other videos on how to set those up so you can use those indicators. The webull is pretty simple, it keeps it pretty easy to use. I like candlesticks. Most day traders, swing traders, scalp traders use them, but you can use other stuff. You can use besides candle bars. What we do is on the watch list, what we do is up here are the stars, your watch list. Right here in the right hand corner, looks like a little paragraph box. You can click on that and you can go to edit watch lists. I have several of them, so if you want to create a new watch list, let's just say squeeze watch list. So with that squeeze watch list, now I can add stuff. GameStop, AMC, Coast. Oh, where did he go? Have to make sure you click it to get in there. What's another good one? But you can add as many as you want, and then once that's set up, now you can come up here to your watch list, and I have several of them. So you go to your one you just created, now you have it. Then you could put the highest percentage up on top, on bottom. You could be able to even move these around. Some people like to put the percentage there, some people like to put the bid here. I just go with last, percent, and volume, so I have those right away. If it's pre-market and aftermarket, I like to put those over here so I can see it. But you can basically set that watch list up for anything. High percentage gains that I have for the day, so these are high percentage runners, which I don't recommend chasing runners, but it's, if you do play this play, get in, get out, maybe set your stop trailing losses or stop losses if you want to chase that. Wall Street bets, I got bonds, triple Qs, ETFs, entertainment you can put on here, hotels, oil, so you can set several for different industries, whatever you have, what you're currently holding, hotels, food, accusations, position, tech stocks. Viewed is always a good one, default go-to one, and then you can just basically look at your watch list and see who's doing good today. This is going to be the guy I'm going to watch today. Instead of just trade that, just stick to a couple good runners for the day, and that way you could just focus on one or two stocks, and you could do a lot of scalp trading with those ones. But when they do run good like this, they always do pull back eventually, so you always want to set your trailing losses or stop orders, or just get in, get out. If you want more slow swing trades, then you have to use your charts and maybe look out a month or 2 months and see what's doing good. And then you would go to your chart and you could just set this up to however we just had it. So we just set up this earlier, so now we could just click on that and see what's going what and what's going where. Let's take Co's out to the 5 years. You kind of see where they jumped up, and that was probably the last gamma squeeze or something that happened here when they were trading at an all-time high at $127. But you have to do your own diligence. Don't just trust one dumb ape. This is just basically how to set up a watch list on Webull, and you can customize it however you want. The sky is the limit. Just like rockets, we like to chase rockets. Well, here's another rocket. This is also another one that they talk about a lot on a heavily shorted Zoom. These are the newest ones. Tops, trading cards, eyes, so you can keep up with the what's hot and what's not lists. And something you don't like, you just get rid of it. Just like I'm done with these guys. And then you could just get rid of it. Delete. Get out of here. You're a loser. Get out of here. But that's just a basic, simple layout watch list. And there's several more you can make. But it's good to have a couple of them you look at, or you just do one of what you're currently holding or what you plan on watching. It's always good to have a good watch list so you can keep an eye on it for days or weeks or months or years, and then you would know just by looking at your watch list daily, hourly, monthly, whatever, you would know what direction the stock you're going to invest is going, if it's going in an uptrend or declining trend. A simple watch list would show you this information, and that would be your first step before you make that initial buy. But there will be more videos out. This is just an introduction into my new channel, and I will be back. Have a great day.